In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove table borders in Google Docs. Whether you're creating a school report, a business document, or a simple checklist, knowing how to control table borders can make your document look much cleaner and more professional. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along in your own document as we go. First, open your Google Docs file and make sure you have a table inserted. If you don't have one yet, click on the Insert menu at the top, hover over Table, and then drag over the grid to choose how many rows and columns you want. Once your table appears in the document, click anywhere inside it to select a cell. This will make the table formatting toolbar appear just above the document, usually showing options like border color, line style, and border width. To add or change borders for the entire table, start by selecting the whole table. An easy way to do this is to click and drag across all the cells, or click inside the table and then use the small square handle that appears in the top left corner of the table if it's available. Once the full table is highlighted, look for the border icon in the toolbar. It looks like a square with different border segments. Click that border icon and you'll see options to apply borders to all sides, just the inner borders, outer borders, or specific sides like top, bottom, left, or right. Choose the layout you want, then set the border width to control how thick the lines appear, and pick a color if you want something other than black. As soon as you choose these, the changes apply immediately, so you can see exactly how they look. If you want to remove borders, the process is very similar. Select the cells, row, column, or entire table that you want to adjust. Click the border icon again, choose which borders you want to affect, and then set the border width to 0. Or select the option that removes the border entirely. The lines will disappear from those selected areas, which is great if you want only certain parts of the table to stand out. You can also mix and match. For example, remove inner borders to create larger sections, but keep the outer border so the table still has a clear outline. After adjusting, scroll through your document to double-check that everything looks consistent and aligned with the style you're going for. And that's how you add and remove table borders in Google Docs, giving you full control over how your tables look.